What's up, Motoville Posse? Today I'm going to be putting this front splitter on the Camaro. Easy install, one-man job, no lift. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and remember, you are the MVP. There's 8 bolts under here. They look like this. Along the front end, you want to take those off. Alright, there's 3 bolts to remove this air deflector on each side that are a little difficult to get to. There's actually 5 bolts that hold it in, but you only got to take off these 3 on the side here. Alright, I'm out here doing this by myself, so I put a 1 bolt in over here while holding it up with a gas can or something. Wedge it up in there to hold the other side. I got that first bolt in right there. Then use that to hold it up, and I got this bolt in on this side too. Now I'm gonna try putting the rest in there. You want to fold the double-sided tape, pull it just a little bit, and leave yourself some tabs. We got ourselves a front splitter. Put all the bolts in there just loosely, pulled the tabs to the double-sided tape. Now I just got to sink the bolts.
Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first die. Stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first die. Stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first die. Stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up.